Hello, future CAs. Welcome to the CA classroom. For you to become a chartered accountant in the future, one of the most important decision is to choose the right class. Why am I saying that? If you're ordering food, you check ratings on Zomato and order the best food. If you're buying some clothes, you check the fit and only you buy, correct? Now, class is not a one-time purchase or a one-time experience. We are going to travel together for the next few months, and your career is in our hands, and you're trusting that responsibility to us, and we will definitely honor that. Mostly you would be watching this video because somebody would have shared it or you would have found it on the website to know about what are the most affordable CA classes that we have at the CA classroom, and what are all the classes we offer for CA Foundation, Inter and Final. You would have seen the website most probably, like Wow subscription, Fusion and so many other classes, and you may be having a confusion as to, sir, which is the right class for me, and that will be explained here. But before I get there, I want to emphasize on this word most affordable. Sir, is this something marketing that you're doing? No. For me, education beyond money has always been service. You will understand throughout this video, and you would know this if you know me personally. I come from a very middle class family, guys, where if I had to do a doctor or engineering, I'm not sure if my family would have been able to support that. And one thing that changed my life is education. And I want to give it to everybody who deserves it at affordable prices. So many students message us saying, sir, we come from a family where this fees has helped us, and that message makes my day more than any other materialistic gains. Now let's get into the classes we offer at the CA classroom. CA Foundation, currently as of 2025, first half, we don't have any foundation paid classes, but ever since COVID, if you know, have always given full proper quality law classes for free. 100 plus hours of content is there for CA Foundation Law, and many students have cleared watching that. Those details are always available in the description of this video and website. Let me finish Final because the most important one is Inter. We have a complete holistic ecosystem for Inter. Final, we just have individual subjects, CA Final FR or CA Final Direct Tax. Whoever wants it will generally go purchase it over here on the website, and that's about it. It's an individual subject. Coming to CA Inter is where we expertise and specialize, where we provide all the 6 subjects at CA Inter. I'm not going to educate you on what the 6 subjects in Inter are. I'm sure you know that. Now, sir, what happens at the CA classroom once we join the CA classroom's family? I'm calling it a family because you will know once I explain all these points. Now, once you join the CA classroom for any classes, be it Wow subscription, I will tell you who should take Wow, or combos, or Inter regular subscription, or Fusion, or group combos, or individual subject. Whichever you take, these 5 to 6 points are applicable for everybody. We do not differentiate that you will get only this, you will get only that. Come on, we are a family, so everybody gets everything for a particular subject. Let me explain that first. Now, I already told you it's the most affordable prices. If you compare on the website with any other website, you will realize that. Second, if you purchase as individual subject, let's say accounts or group 1 or group 2 or a subject like audit, anything that you purchase in any of these, in individual or regular or Fusion or Wow, in anything that you purchase, you will get access to regular classes and workout classes. Let me repeat, we do not differentiate regular class, pay fees and get only regular class access, fast track classes, pay fees and get access to fast track class, and students will have a feeling, ayo, I missed that, ayo, I missed this. No. Whatever resources and classes available for one particular subject, that fully will be given to that student. Regular, our students would know it as Triple S. We have a Triple S simple smart schedule. So you will watch regular as per the Triple S. Workout you will watch as per Wow. And students who have finished both this Triple S and Wow have never said we have not cleared. So whichever class, whichever course on the website you take, you will get access to this entire package. How to watch the class? You have to watch the respective Triple S video and Wow video which explains the schedule. Next, whichever class you buy, individual subject, group combo, wow, fusion, you will also get mock test for one mock test for that subject. If you're buying one full group, then you will get 3 mock tests for that entire group. This is common because I'm telling you this is common. That means you don't have to worry about not getting anything in each of these classes. I will tell the difference once I get there, who should take what. Okay. Now, one of the things that we do for CA students, and I've not seen many people do this, is we also give mental health support, guys. Students who know me know the kind of support they get for mental health. We have exclusive WhatsApp group with thousands of students who are there for each other. We do offline workshops, etc. Mental health support will be given. Like I already mentioned above, schedule to watch the class, whichever class you buy of ours. We have 2 schedules, the Triple S, which is for regular, I'm repeating, and WOW, which is for workout. Along with the schedule, we also give not just mentoring, we give live online mentoring. We have monthly online live calls with all our students so that we stay in touch with them, and you can always WhatsApp us, call us for any support you need during your journey. Now, sir, what about materials, sir? Our materials are freely available. Soft copy for all the subjects is available in the website. Under the free resources section, you have the soft copy. You can download the PDF and print it. No, sir, I don't want the headache of print. Additionally, you can pay some charges and buy the hard copy, which will be couriered to you. Both are same. Now, our family gets all of this, and to add on, for one subject we will have only one faculty. I will not say for law I will take one class, for other class workout somebody else will take. Law means it's me, accounts means it's me, audit means Niveda ma'am. That's how it will be. We will always have one faculty for that full subject. Okay. And of course you can message our faculties directly for doubts. This is what you get when you come to our family for your classes. Now the most important one, sir, I saw on the website, sir, fusion, wow, combos, individual, inter-group combo, inter-subscription. Which one should I take? Okay. Now this is the important one. Let me explain, guys. Now, very simple. In all these classes, whether you take fusion or wow or combos or individual or inter-subscription or inter-group combo, you are going to get the same package that is available over here, the same set of classes. There is no going to be a different class. That means, for example, in fusion, if somebody takes law class, what he gets in law in fusion is what every other student who has taken law in any other class will get. I hope this point is clear. Sir, then why the difference, sir? We can keep only one thing. No, the mindset matters. Very simple. If you have 3 months left for exam, generally after the exams, immediately after May exams, if you are writing September, you have 3 months in your hand. So you will pay for 2 months and get 1 month free. That is fusion. So fusion is suitable if you have 3 months for your exams or you want to finish the preparation in 3 months. WOW is suitable for whom, sir? WOW is usually a 2 months course that we will be giving after results. We'll be giving after results. So usually if your exam is going to be in May, for example, results will come in March. So you have only 2 months gap. So when I have to prepare a group in 2 months, WOW is what you have to use. Sir, combos, when should I use? Combos, we have only 2 combos on the website, which many students have requested us for. So we have this accounts and law combo of mine and Niveda ma'am's audit and SM combo. In this combo, you have 2 options. You can either take a 4 months option, maybe now it's not there, but it will always be there, or a 6 months option. This who can take, if you need the classes for 4 or 6 months, you can take combos. Now coming to individual subject, I will not force you, sir, I want only a group you should take. No, I want only your law class, sir. I want only your audit class. It's the best audit class I have seen today. Then you can take that individual subject for 4 months and 6 months. Maybe in the future, we might also launch a 30 days validity for individual subject. Now, if you take one individual subject, let's say only law from us, you will still get all of this. You will still get the entire package that what you get for other courses. Okay. I hope that part is clear. Now, who will take all of this? Individual also, your choice. You're studying for the first time or you already studied, you need concept clarity, you will take that. Okay. Now, sir, can I watch this class if I am studying for the first time? That's why I wrote first time, first time, first time, first time. Also can watch. Already studied, I need concept clarity again. Revision also you can watch. That's the whole idea. The triple S regular in the schedule is for first time learners. Workout wow is for subsequent learners. Now, coming to the last two ones, inter subscription, a 30 days validity. Which one is this? It is this one, inter subscription. This inter subscription, I need group only for 30 days, sir. I want the full access. I have 30 days left. You take this inter subscription. And the last one, I've kept the important one, where you get 9 months of class. Inter group combos, 9 month. Usually first time learners just completed CA foundation. For example, you would have finished your foundation in Jan 25. Your inter must be in Jan 26. So you need class for almost 9 months. For these students, the inter regular group combo works because you have class for almost 9 months at your disposal. So these are the products which I just told you over here. You can see a WoW subscription. To put it in very simple words, sir, I'm not able to understand. It's the same class. It's categorized based on validity and when you need them. So WoW subscription is for 60 days. Inter combos is for 6 months. Inter subscription is for 1 month. Again, same thing. Fusion subscription is for 90 days. Inter regular combo is for 9 months. And again, individual subject is for 6 months. So I hope this answered all your doubts, guys. That is the whole idea. We want you to bring you into the family and give you the right course based on what is your attempt. Whichever class you take, below that we will always mention, don't worry. For example, which attempt it is applicable, all of that we will mention. Whenever we make new videos, guys, we will update the new videos for you also. So once you have joined the family, all that updates will be taken care. So I will end this with one of my favorite quotes, guys. One of my favorite quotes. Okay, the quote is, what is important in life is the direction at which you go and not the pace. Especially in this fast moving world, guys, in this fast moving world, everybody wants results immediately. I don't believe in that. If you are going fast in the wrong direction, you will keep going down. I hope you understand the analogy now. So with the CA classroom, the pace depends on how you learn and which attempt you are in, but the direction, you will always be going in the right direction for you to become a chartered accountant. With that, I will be signing off, guys. Thank you so much. Wishing you the best.